Hey guys, it's Tim with LeatherSeats.com. In today's video, we're going over the interior upgrades that we're installing in this 2021 Ford F-150. All right guys, we have the front seats pulled out of our customer's 2021 F-150 Super Crew XLT with the factory buckets. Before we install the driver's side, I wanted to show you a side-by-side comparison of the original cloth to the new LeatherSeats.com upholstery. We built this replacement leather trimmed upholstery kit in single tone black with perforated combo. All of the double stitching and top stitching is finished in a contrasting stone thread. This kit was built in our deluxe leather trim content, which features a combination of leather and matching vinyl comparable to most Ford factory interiors. You can also upgrade the amount of leather to either our premium or 100% leather content. If you're not wanting to tackle the installation yourself, give us a call and we can see if there's an automotive upholstery shop in your area. For the 2021 F-150, we do offer an optional console lid cover that upgrades the factory vinyl lid to real leather. However, for this build, the customer requested our Sanctum wireless charging console lid upgrade in black with contrasting stone stitching and accent ring to complement the seats. For more information, be sure to check out our installation video that shows more about how this process works. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or would like to receive free leather samples, give us a call at 866-NEW-SEAT or email us at sales@LeatherSeats.com. For more information, check out the links in the video description. And if you enjoy this type of content, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date. LeatherSeats.com. Custom look, factory fit.